And let's look at the fast preview render. So I've got a fast preview running. And how does that work? Well, you'll see in the icon, well, rather than turn this off, let me go back to the other MicroStation. Go back to the dialog and look. Okay, so you can have ray trace, path trace, and when it comes to render, you can change to fast preview. And if it's in fast preview and you click render, you're going to do a fast preview render in the view. That's not a final render. It really sets off. It's just similar to what we did with Luxology. You can take it a step further in that you can actually move an object in fast preview and it'll work. In Luxology, that was not possible. We could move the camera. You could change materials. You could edit materials, and you could change lighting, but you couldn't actually move things around in the design file. So here's a scene. It's got fast preview running, and let's just move the camera a bit here. I'll go in here, and you'll see that this is with the path tracer. So it's really, really fast. Now, another cool thing that you can do is, let's say I want to edit the paint. So that's my Mustang paint right here. And you see I'm using a physically based render material. And I could put a modern paint job on here by making this metallic. And maybe I'll bump the roughness just a tad. So back to this paint. So I've got Snag It here, and I snagged earlier the paint for this Mustang. And these were the different paints that you could get. And that's where that yellow came from before. So I'm going to move this off my screen, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the material editor. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this eyedropper, and I'm going to take this across my screen and pick up a different color. And again, I put the modern paint on here. Back in the day, I think it would be shiny paint, enamel paint. So the car is sitting on a circle. The circle has a PBR material that has some rocks, and it has areas that are wet. So it's reflecting my environment. The environment is actually a spherical environment that I shot in my backyard maybe 10 years ago in the middle of the winter. And that's what you're seeing. So this is this environment map.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.